Hey guys, it's Mallory Varner with GSG, and I'm the Vinyl Decorating Segment Manager. So excited to bring part 3 to you all with General Formulations, Crafting with Uncle Jay. So if you don't know much about General Formulations, they are a wonderful partner of ours, and they offer a big variety of different applications with different adhesive vinyls. So definitely check out all the products they have to offer. One thing I've loved about this series is seeing the huge range of products and projects that you can do using vinyl. I think even being in the industry, we get a little stuck in our everyday usage of this. So this one's really cool. I'm super excited about it. And I think all of you will find lots of usage for this product personally in your business, as well as for your customers. It's a great upsell, great business opportunity with this product. So I'm excited for you to see it. Please be sure and stay tuned to the end of this video where you can hear how to win $500. And be sure and check out the rest of our series where we are going through with all of our different partners and creating the holiday spirit. But now we are going to get to Crafting with Uncle Jay and part 3 of our series, our segment with General Formulations. Thanks, Jay.
Hey everybody, it's Jay Kroll here with General Formulations, or from General Formulations. I'm one of the product managers here, overseeing our craft vinyl and even some of our wall products. We have a nice wall mural printed here behind us on our 229 Walmart canvas. Works great for painted drywall and some other surfaces. But today, as we're talking about creating the holiday spirit, I wanted to talk about food. Oh baby, this is my favorite part. Today we've taken what is our chalkboard vinyl. So this is 290 chalk mark and printed on this a holiday menu. That's something not everybody has, a printer that's capable of white ink. It's pretty complex, but this is a material that can be printed. And we're going to talk through not only printing this material, but what we can do potentially at home just with sheets of this vinyl and the other stuff that you have around. So 290 chalk mark. It's an easy install product. This has what we consider, or what we call, our HTR, or high-tech removable adhesive. Those things normally don't go together. Usually when you talk about a high-tech adhesive, it's like super grippy, right? So if I stick a high-tech super grippy adhesive on a wall, it automatically makes you think that when I go to peel that off, it's going to take the wall down with it. But we've designed General Formulations, so the formulation on this, we've kind of dumped in some whiz-bang magic science to it to make it so that this material is still removable and yet sticky enough to go out easily on walls. Oh man, see, I told you, Mallory, this is covered with glitter from our last craft project. Tune in, my love.
You love it.
I'm gonna do my best to line this up, just eyeball it. And the adhesive sticks really well. I've done a hinge method. Oh, that looks really crooked on the screen. I assure you, that's the fisheye from the camera here. So this is one you can either use your small squeegee. We always hit stuff. Like I said, I folded it back, or I hinged it at the top to expose that adhesive. That allows me to line it up, or if I needed to. If I needed to adjust it, I can easily peel that material up, right? And I can put it back down, reset. So it's high tech, it's gripping really well. This is even a textured wall that we've got it on, but it's good enough that it's removable easily from that. So again, I can use a small squeegee, starting from the center, sort of working the way out.
Hey, Jay.
Yes, ma'am.
What printer do you need to be able to print on that? And then if you don't have a printer, are you able to apply other vinyl on top of it?
Yes. So we're getting there. So a couple things with that. So the printers to use for this, what we say is any white ink system, the HP latex flatbeds or the new 700 and 800W have white ink. Most UV printers, those pieces of equipment, you can screen print on this. If that's one we actually see quite a bit because of that UV durability of the ink. it's hard to do this and talk at the same time. All right, there we go.
You're doing a good job, though.
And a lot of times we're gonna squeegee that down. And again, it's a removable adhesive, so if I need to lift up or reposition edges of the panel, we're able to do that. So this chalkboard material works with soft chalk, like your pastel chalks. Sidewalk chalk works really, really well. We talked about, or for me, this is craft time with Uncle Jay. Anything like this that would go up in my house is going to be drawn on by my children. It works with the liquid chalk markers as well. A couple brands like the Expo Bright Color or Buddha Art is another one here that's great. Has some really cool silver and colors, different things.
Hey, Jay, when you're cleaning it, is there anything you should stay away from? I know I have like the chalkboard paint on my walls and it's a nightmare to get clean.
Oh yeah, so the nice part is this is a textured vinyl. It's actually outdoor rated as well. So you think about, I've got a plastic signboard over here for like your menu boards at restaurants. A lot of coffee shops will have these outside. It's rated for 3 to 5 years outdoor. Really durable material. And the nice part is, yeah, I can easily clean this just with an Expo, like with a dry erase marker. Soap and water works well too, to get that off, and totally reusable. So I can quickly clean that out, change, this is one that the holiday menu could come out. You could have it on a board, or you could put it up on a wall and bring it out for every holiday and update it with, maybe removable cut vinyl. I thought about doing that and doing leaves around the edge, or doing pumpkins or holly and ivy for a Christmas theme. You could obviously draw that on as well. And then you've got that temporary nature. There are things, so when I look at this, I also would incorporate our paint mask material. And I do that because I write like a third grader. Not that there's anything wrong with that. Thanks, Seinfeld. But because I don't have the best handwriting, I might line this up. All right, I've got the pre-mask on there just to help keep our letters square. If I can get it. Yeah, so anyway, you get the idea. So if I want perfect letters, I can use my pre-mask or use my paint mask material on there and then draw. Oh, we're gonna get it. I'm persistent. And this is one that I put the high bond on it. I would use a medium tack paint mask or a medium tack transfer tape on it. Again, I use the clear one, my bad. But then being able to color in if you're not artistically inclined. I kind of like the messy look sometimes. But yeah, then that paint mask coming off, I've really done it now. That paint mask coming off will leave your letter behind just what you want to see. You can do this as well if you want to do like a turkey cutout and actually draw something a little fancier on there. You've got that ability on there as well. So back to Mallory's question, she had asked, is there compatibility? And I'll bring my school over here. Is there compatibility if we were to want to do that same thing just with cut vinyl? And yes, absolutely. So I have here a number of the same details, the lines, the scroll work for the corners, and these are all pre-masked as well. So I can take, and again, we've got the DigiCal white here. We've been using a lot of that. I can take that with my pre-mask, line it up in the corner, squeegee it on. And ready to go. And then that detail will stay on there, obviously. And the nice part is I can write with chalk right on it, around it, and it'll still clean off. That vinyl is not going to want to hold on to the letters necessarily. I wouldn't do it a lot. But you've got your fixed details. You could do the same thing. I think I have the I have the holiday menu, and we did all these files in 12 by 12. So it's something that you could easily do on your Cricut or Silhouette at home, or other fine cutter. So then you could, whether this is a menu and you're just doing it this, again, squeegee that on, nice and clean, no bubbles, and then remove your finger. Same thing with all the details and extra embellishments that you can add on there with the scroll work. And again, feel free to use cut vinyl for your food components. Use your brown digical material to create turkeys that you're going to put up here. I know a lot of those are available in removable vinyl as well. So then you could use this and reuse this as different seasons come along. Again, 290 chalk mark, printable with UV or other white ink systems. That's either sheet fed, you're doing large volume offset business, or roll to roll or flatbed print on some of those devices, or just get the chalkboard vinyl and think about. I mean, this is kind of a menu theme. I love food. I love turkey. Kind of keeping with that vibe, but this could easily be a to-do list that goes on the refrigerator door. This adhesive will stick great to stainless steel or your white enamel refrigerator door. Have a to-do list for the kids, homework assignments. Put this up on the wall or in the homeschool or creative crafting area. Very versatile, easy to clean, longevity of material, and oh goodness, chalkboard paint is such a mess. Such a hassle.
It is. It's a pain. So did you just stick that directly to the plastic egg?
Yeah, so this is stuck directly to the plastic egg. And the nice part with this HTR adhesive, didn't take any special treatment. A lot of times plastic, you have to spray with alcohol and torch it just to get it to open up enough. Super high tech, permanent, or mount a separate board and then attach that board to the plastic aid. The HTR adhesives can stick directly to that. They also stick to glass, to metal, again, to painted drywall like the wall behind us. Sticks to multiple surfaces.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much. We really appreciate it. And I'm sure I'm going to have that on my wall to replace that paint.
Yeah, thank you all. Again, check out the files that we have for these and the other craft projects. And be sure to check out the other Creating the Holiday Spirit events with GSG as well. Thanks. See you next time.
Thanks, Jay. That was awesome. I cannot wait to use that chalk mark downstairs in our basement versus the painted chalk wall that is not my husband's favorite thing. Anyway, guys, if you have not checked it out, please be sure and check out part 1 and part 2 of Jay's segment, Craft with Uncle Jay, with General Formulations, as he shows us some really, really, really unique ways that you can use adhesive vinyl, not just your typical run-of-the-mill project. So I'm very excited about that. Thank you, Jay. And you want to know, I'm sure, how do you win $500? Well, we want to see your creativity. Did you make something that Jay made, which the designs are uploaded, you can absolutely use? Or did you create something on your own and you want to show me how creative you can be using General Formulations product or Digical? Please tag us at GSG Vinyl Decorating on Instagram or Facebook with hashtag Creating the Holiday Spirit, or email me at vinyldecorating@gogsg.com. What you need to do is give me all the details. What products from General Formulations did you use? And any other insider information you want to tell me about your project. And then from there, you'll be entered to win $500. And just so you know, we're doing $500 not just for your projects with General Formulations, but all of our partners throughout this. So you have a lot of chances to win. So get to crafting, and we cannot see what you've made. Thanks for watching this series, and check out our other ones.